So hello you guys and welcome back to Hadi's channel. I'm really excited for today's video because today we are going to make pesto spaghetti, and this is one of my favorite pasta recipes. So without wasting much time, let's get cooking. And many of you had told me that my audio wasn't clear in many of my videos. So from this video I'm using this mic. So just let me know how this setup works.
We'll start with boiling spaghetti. To boil spaghetti, I have taken water in a pot and put it on flame. To that I am adding salt. I am using pink salt and regular cooking oil. Now put it on high flame and let it come to a boil. After that we will add our spaghetti to it. As you can see, water has come to boil, so turn the flame to low, and now I will add spaghetti to it. I am using rice spaghetti, but if you want you can use regular noodles as well. Again turn the flame to medium and let it cook. And while this is cooking, we will make our pesto sauce. So to make pesto sauce, we will add Italian basil to a blending jar. To that we will add some garlic, some green chillies, walnuts, salt, pepper powder, lemon juice, and olive oil. Now if you are not going to freeze this, you can add some cheese at this stage if you want. I will also add around 1 tablespoon of water, and now we will blend it. Make sure you use small blending cycles here and don't blend on full power. So our pesto sauce is ready. As you can see, our spaghetti is also cooked. So now let's move to final step. To make pesto spaghetti, I am taking a deep pot and putting it on medium flame. Now at this stage, if you want, you can use olive oil or regular cooking oil. But I would recommend using olive oil because it works really well with pesto sauce. Now when oil is warm, we'll add ginger garlic paste to it and saute it for a while. Now when ginger garlic paste is well cooked, add finely sliced onions to it and mix it well. Also add salt and black pepper powder to it and mix well, so that helps onion to cook well faster. Let's mix it and let the onions cook and turn translucent. Now as you can see, onions have cooked. Now I will add milk cream to it. If you want, you can add grated cheese now and cook it with milk cream. I'm not going to. So I'm going to add pesto sauce now. I'm only using half of what we prepared, other half will be frozen. Italian basils are very delicate, so it's better to make a paste of it or pesto sauce rather and freeze it, because these leaves do not survive in refrigerator for even 2 days. Now mix it well. If you want, you can add olives and jalapenos at this point or while serving, whichever you prefer. Now we'll add our spaghetti to it and mix it well. Regular pesto recipe uses pine nuts, but because they are not easily available here, I have used walnuts in this recipe. And if you want to make a more creamy pesto sauce, use more oil and cheese. That's it, our pesto spaghetti is ready to be served.
So as you saw, this is a very easy recipe. So next time when you're craving healthy junk food, try this recipe. I'm sure you will love this. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. And if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos every week. Now see you next week. Until then, eat healthy and take care. Bye-bye.